This place is surrounded by mountains on three sides, and in the middle it's a little bit of plateau, and you can see a small canal coming right from the waterfall, and people are enjoying over here. This place is also very nice. Look at the mountains surrounded three sides, and a plateau in the middle, and you can see the waterfalls, one and then two waterfalls, but unfortunately you cannot make it till that point, as government has prohibited till 24th of September. Beautiful place.